Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chesklyn and I love to do unboxing and review videos. So today we're going to be unboxing the new MacBook Pro 2020 13-inch. I've actually had a MacBook Pro 2015 for a while now, for 5 years, and I decided I needed to upgrade and take advantage of the sale that's going on in Apple. So the thing that's going on with Apple right now is that they have this college discount, back to school kind of discount on their website. I think it's like $100 off all the MacBooks, and you also get AirPods for free. And you could also upgrade if you want the wireless one or the AirPods Pro for like $40 to $90. So I just got the regular one because I don't need the AirPods Pro or the wireless version, and plus I'm gonna give away my other AirPods to my boyfriend, so that should be fine. Also, I got it engraved. So let's unbox this. I'm really excited because, like I said, I haven't upgraded my Mac in a while, and you know, usually Macs really last for a long time, and it's still lasting. I think my MacBook Pro is still working perfectly fine, but like I said, I wanted to take advantage of it. So wow, here is the MacBook. I also decided to get the touch bar version. So for this one, I decided to get space gray, and I also decided to upgrade my storage to 512. I think after 5 years with 128 gigabytes, I definitely needed a higher storage. They do have a base storage of 256, which is a big upgrade as well, but since I think this is gonna last me 5 more years, I think 512 is the way to go. So here it is. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Here is the MacBook. I'm so excited. So here are the specs, and I'm gonna put it up in the screen, and I'm just gonna read the main important parts of the spec. So this has 1.4 gigahertz quad-core 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor. It also has 8 gigabytes of memory and 512 storage, like I said. 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. It has a touch bar and a Touch ID, and yeah. So I'm a graphic designer, and I think those are good specs. Like I said, I have the MacBook Pro 2015, and it has kind of the similar specs, but this should be faster. We will see, but from what I heard, it's way faster, and yeah. So let's unbox this part. I like that there's a pull tab. We're just gonna unbox it this way. Yeah. So I just adjusted my angle, so here it is. For some reason it feels a little bit heavier, the box, but look at the space gray. So my work laptop right now is space gray, and I always wanted to get the space gray color because I did have the silver one already from my old MacBook. So before we unwrap that, let's see what's in the box. So right here we have the USB-C cable. That's the standard cable for all the Macs right now. Here is the manual. Let's see what's new. Yes, stickers. Oh my gosh, guys, it's space gray. I'm like so shook because like usually the stickers are white, but this is space gray. It matches the color of the MacBook. That's cool. What else do we have here? I think that's it. Huh. Okay, fairly simple. And then what we got here is the charging brick. It should be the regular 60W charging brick, and like I said, also USB-C. So awesome. So I actually don't need to use these wires because right now I have my work laptop, and it also has USB-C, so I'm not going to use that for a while. Alright. It actually feels pretty light. It's definitely not as heavy as my 2015 version. But yeah. Okay, let's just remove the plastic. Oh, it turned on by itself. Oh my gosh. So what's nice about the 2020 version is that they have a new Magic Keyboard. They kind of brought back the old one where, as you can see, it's not as flat as the butterfly keyboard.
The main language. Press the return key.
So that's great. I also like that the buttons, this feels exactly like the old, and I think the same layout as the regular MacBook. Let me get that out. So here is my 2015 version, and let's see the keyboard. So it looks pretty similar, and as you can see, they finally have the escape button right here, and there's the touch bar and the touch IDs like separate, so that's pretty convenient. And also for a base model price, the fact that they have a touch bar now is kind of great, because I remember that when the touch bar first came out, and I think also last year, I think you had to pay an extra couple $100 just to get the touch bar version. So it's kind of great because I'm loving the new touch bar. In my work laptop, it has a touch bar, and I think it's pretty convenient. So let's just set this up real quickly. Okay, so we set the Wi-Fi up. So I don't want to transfer any information right now. So maybe I'll do that another time, but for now I want to start fresh. Let me just log in. So just setting up my iCloud, and yeah, 500 toes, a lot. Also, another big difference is that the trackpad for the new MacBooks are larger. I kind of like that. I don't mind the smaller one, but a larger one is pretty cool, especially for doing design work. I think it's pretty helpful. So yeah, set this up later. Actually, I could just, of course, enable Siri. So my Hey Siri's ready. Share audio recordings. Okay, that's fine. So Touch ID. So this is the cool part that I'm more excited about with the touch bar, is that you do get to use the Touch ID, and so you don't have to keep typing in your password every time. So this is so convenient. I'm definitely assuming that the new upcoming MacBooks in the next couple of years will use Face ID, because I know a lot of computers nowadays are using facial recognition, and it's way faster. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna put auto for now. And I love the True Tone display. I think when I'm doing graphic design work though, especially if I'm editing, I don't think I'm gonna turn this on, but for now I'm gonna turn it on. So yeah, it's almost ready. She's almost ready. I ordered a case on eBay because everywhere on Amazon, a lot of them are saying that the cases don't fit for the 2020 version. I think this is it's like a couple centimeters thicker than the old version, so I'm still waiting for that case. So one thing you need to know about the USB-C ports is that you need to get a dongle, or a dongle adapter basically, that has the USB-A ports, the HDMI cable, and the SD card reader, which I already have. So I got mine on Amazon for $20. This has 3 USB-A ports, an HDMI, SD readers, and another USB-C port just in case I do want to charge it. And I got mine to match my computer. I also got the Apple version of this. I could put down the link below where I got this one on Amazon specifically, but they have different kinds, different colors as well. But this is one that I thought was pretty affordable for all the stuff that you really need. So these are also USB 3.0. So So here is the touch bar. I'm very excited about this. Obviously I'm used to not having a touch bar, but since I have the work laptop that has a touch bar, I was like pretty amazed by it, and everything is pretty much compressed here, and the touch bar pretty much changes depending on your application that you're on. So let's try out Safari. So right now, as you can see in Safari, they have all your bookmarks right here. You could also enter your URL over there. I don't know when you'll ever really need that, but they have that. They also have this to add another tab, so that's cool. So definitely, like, each application has its own customized touch bar. I know Adobe has different ones, especially in Photoshop. You could create like a new layer, so I'm gonna have to download that soon. And I think this is gonna be really convenient for graphic design if I need to take this out anywhere. It's lighter than my old one, just a little bit, just a tad bit lighter. Yeah, I can't wait to put on a case on it and add some stickers on the case. But one thing that I am sad about is that it doesn't have that light up logo anymore, but that's also because the size is very thin, so that's one of the things. So that's totally fine as well. It's all about getting used to it. So one thing I wanted to try out is the Touch ID on the MacBook. It's pretty quick. Definitely faster than typing it all the time, so that's great. So one thing I love about the Retina displays is that in different viewing angles it doesn't change. So Macs definitely have one of the best screens out there, the Retina display. I mean, yes, there's that reflection, but that's not really going to bother you as much, especially if you're in the sun and you need to work. It's not going to bother as much. So that's it for my unboxing video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and tune in for my next one. Bye guys.